Have you ever wanted to make your designs pop by filling shapes with your favorite photos in Canva? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. First, open your Canva design and head over to the Elements tab. Scroll down until you find frames. These are special shapes designed to hold images perfectly. Pick the shape you like and drag it onto your design canvas. Next, it's time to add your photo. You can use an image from the Upload section or browse Canva's Photos tab. Once you find the picture you want, simply drag it into your frame. You'll notice it automatically snaps into the shape, instantly giving your design a professional look. But here's a neat trick. You're not stuck with the default placement. Double-click on the image inside the frame, and now you can adjust its position, resize it, or even rotate it to make it fit just the way you want. This gives you full creative control while keeping everything neat and polished. And that's it. Filling shapes with photos in Canva is that easy. And it's a fantastic way to add a stylish touch to your designs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or personal projects. Give it a try, experiment with different shapes and images, and watch your designs come alive in just a few clicks.